apologize to nobody. And there is the burbles.
There's 3 things that I just don't know that I could do without.
Yeah, they get that. Sometimes people they call them like a 10-foot Harley.
What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. I should say good morning. It's about 7 AM here. Yeah, early enough start, but there's a ton to get through in this video, so we needed to get an early start. A couple of things have happened in the past couple of weeks that I need to get you guys caught up on, so here it is in a nutshell. So first of all, I really hope you guys like the upgraded sound and video quality. I got myself an Insta360 Ace Pro and mic to go with it, so we're hopefully going to have a hell of a lot better quality videos going forward. Right, so I've decided to go on an adventure.
How about get fucked, man?
And what do I need for an adventure? I need an adventure bike. And what do I need for an adventure bike? Money. So I've sold the CB175 and I was trying to sell the Honda Shadow 1100, but nobody wanted it. Sad times, but just means we're going to have to go with plan B. So plan B is we're going to use the Honda Shadow for our adventure, which means we need to get the Honda Shadow ready for an adventure. And what do we need to do that? Parts, and lots of them. So it's turning out to be, it looks like an absolutely gorgeous day outside, so I'm going to take you guys along with me to go see something that might just make the Honda Shadow a little bit more comfortable for longer journeys. Let me explain. My hip and knee are pretty much at the same level when I'm sitting on the bike comfortably, so I would prefer my knee to be lower than my hip, if you get me, so that I'm taking a little bit of the pressure off my hip. So I need to be sitting a little bit higher, which is where the guy that we're going to go see comes in. Right, so I'm going to do a quick workout, grab some breakfast, and then I'll meet you guys back here. Let's do it.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, let's get going. But before we do, let me run you through the plan for the day. The trip today is 157 kilometers in total, guys. Kicks off with a quick 25 minutes motorway riding to Mississauga. Then we'll head north towards Halton Hills and Erin, taking whatever back roads we can until we reach the start of Forks of the Credit Road. Then we'll turn and head south again to bring us back into Toronto. Should hopefully have some epic views and fun roads along the way. Alright guys, so I'm just on my way down to meet a friend of mine who also has a really nice Honda Shadow, and we're going to meet at the garage. We're going to fuel up and then we're going to get on the road. Beautiful day out today, beautiful. Hopefully it stays like this for the rest of the day. What's up? How are you?
Good, good.
Looking good? Okay, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Cool.
Need to get
after leaving the garage, all fueled up, and we're on our way to go meet this guy. So let's see what happens. It's going to take about 25 minutes to get there. So yeah, and it's all city driving, so no fun. Cheers, man. Nice to meet you. You too. Yeah, guys, so unfortunately the seat did not pan out. It was just way too small and didn't have enough padding, so there was no way in hell it was going to be good for a long journey. Is what it is. But yeah, we're going to go for a ride now. We're going to chill out, get a coffee, and then yeah, head off. So let's get going. Alright guys, so we are back on the road. And we are heading now to Forks of the Credit Road to do some back roading. We're going to avoid highways because, yeah. So let's see how this ride goes. It's going to take us another 20 minutes or so to get out of this place, maybe 30 minutes, and then we get some really nice country roads. So I'll be back with you then. Forks of the Credit has been super nice, guys, since we actually got outside of the city limits. But it's a lot of long, straight country roads. Not overly exciting, but it did give some really stunning views along the way, though. One thing I was actually told by another biker is that loud pipes are not appreciated by the locals, and you might get pulled over by the police. So we're going to have to keep an eye out for that. Either way, just arriving here to the Higher Ground Cafe, which is just at the start of Forks of the Credit Road. Man, it's pretty busy here. Almost looks like an organised bike meet. Anyway, gonna grab a coffee, guys, and then we can hit the twisty roads. Let's do it.
Very nice. I was just saying, I went to see the movie Bike Rider last night, and that's almost identical to what they're riding. Yeah, I saw it too. And So are these brand new?
No, I wish. This is a 99.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
2001.
Well, it looks like the movies. It's from the mid '60s.
Yeah, they get that. Sometimes people they call them like a 10-foot Harley. So from like 10 foot away, it looks like an old school Harley.
Mm-hmm.
But
Years ago, I had a Valkyrie.
oh yeah,
And they called it the Honda Davidson because from a distance it looked like a Harley.
Yeah, yeah.
You got up right close, and it was the Gold Wing engine.
oh cool,
Yeah.
cool man. You want to do it again? Right guys, so that's fork of the credit. We're back on the road. Let's head off. A little bit of a throttle twist just to leave everyone with the sound. I apologize to nobody. And there is the burbles.
Alright guys, so I made it back. It was an absolutely awesome day. I had a really good day's riding and it was good fun to hang out with my mate. It did start raining on the way back, but you know what? It didn't even matter. Now, there's 3 things that I just don't know that I could do without going on long journeys with the Honda Shadow. One is a fuel gauge. I don't know guys, I just need a fuel gauge. It's just so much easier than having to like monitor your trip and just kind of, yeah, I just need a fuel gauge. 2, I need better fuel economy. I'm pretty sure the Honda Shadow is about like 32 miles to the gallon or something along those lines. But with the Vance & Hines pipes and it being rejetted, yeah, it's definitely not getting that. So I probably have to do something about that. And lastly, yeah, it's got to be that seat height. I need my hips to be higher than my knees. Yeah, I just need to get something done about that, guys. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Maybe someone will buy it, maybe along the way. We'll figure it out. But for now, I got to figure those things out. But yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. It seriously helps me out. And guys, as always, until next time, sláinte.